My father is selling 25 Corvettes from his C2 Corvette collection. It's 1963 through 1967. This is one of the stars of the show. Bright red, rally red color, white interior, headrest, power windows, 4-speed, factory air, number match 427, power steering, power disc brakes, side pipes, knockoff wheels, gold line tires. Fantastic car. It's had a body off frame restoration. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find 200 classic cars for sale, including the Corvette collection. Each car has a price tag on it, along with a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified when the videos are posted. This looks fantastic. The big block has this bulged hood that tells you it's a big block under there, although a lot of guys put the hoods on to make their car look better, but that is a real big block. Everything fits nice. The headlights are lined up really good. It's straight, no damage. I don't see any body work showing. This is all fantastic. All up in here, you know, the coupes, the door goes right up into the roof, so they got to fit real nicely all the way around. Opens effortlessly, closes so nice. The coupes are very desirable. They're harder to find than the convertibles, and the looks of them. It has this body line, the curved window, the boat tail design. I mean, just look at the shape of this car. This is artwork. Body continues to be in excellent shape, straight, smooth, no damage, no body work showing. All looking really good. This door fits real nice as well. Effortless. Fantastic. So the car, according to the tag, is a real rally red car. It's polished like glass. I didn't see a flaw. I'm sure there are some. Here's a little tiny chip. But it really, really looks good. Apologize, I have a nerve issue in my face and it's burning right now, but it'll go away here shortly. Corvette emblem, the cross flags all look good. Bumpers are at least an 8 out of 10, nice and shiny and straight. Might be the original windshield, I think it is. Real faint, you know, haze or wiper marks on it. This is sparkling 427 turbojet motor. Of course, the side pipes look amazing, but they sound even better. It's one of my favorite things, shifting gears, listening to those pipes. It's not obnoxious, it's just a nice big block rumble. Back glass, really good, just a few light scratches. The stainless trim is nice, fits really well. Bumpers look like new. Tail light's been replaced. All of this is shiny. This looks new. Power antenna as well. Now the knockoff wheels are reproduction. They look brand new. Nice radial gold line tires, so they ride real nice. You got the bow tie mirror. All right, now let's check out the inside and that 427 big block under the hood. And my father was dealing with these Corvettes when they were used cars back in the early 70s. So he handpicked this collection of cars for various reasons. He was primarily looking for coupes with air conditioning. This one here happens to go well beyond that with all the options it has. Door jambs are painted up real nice. Weather strips look like they're fairly new. Sill plates look brand new. Nice bright white door panels. The knobs, handles are shiny chrome. Instrument panel all looks really nice. No damage. Gauges are nice and clean. The dash pad. All the speaker, grill, the trim, the vents, all this is in real nice shape. Clock is right twice a day. This dash pad looks new. Got the grab handle on there and you scare your passengers. Glove box is nice. This is our inspection sheet. We'll go with the car. And then factory air, that's what this vent is for. Carpets look excellent. Original AM/FM radio. Real nice console with the correct 4-speed shifter. Power windows. Original seat belts, got a little rust on that buckle there. Nice bright white upholstery with headrest. Headrest was a factory option at the time. The interior is upgraded to white. Backs of the seats are excellent. All the carpet in the back looks really nice and fits real nice. Let's see if this one has the jack. Yep, it's got the jack where it's supposed to be. Then all the trim up above here, all the way in the back, looks like we'll try and give that a little fresh glue. But up above is all looking real nice. Dome light works, headliner looks new. The visors and mirror are excellent. And then it has the telescopic wheel. You turn that, I think it's already, it slides out. That's another rare option. This is a loaded car, folks. You might take some of this for granted, but they didn't have all these options back then. Not most of them. So here we go. Numbers match 427. Now we go as far as checking the VIN number matching, and we cross-reference the dates. We look at the casting codes. It has high performance right on the block in 2 places. All stock manifolds, valve covers, air cleaner, ignition shielding. And then we've got power brakes. That's an option. Looks like some new wiring, new alternator. Power steering is hiding down there. Radiator, clutch fan, all that looks proper. Now I talked about the rare options, but air conditioning, factory air in a Corvette, most people's homes weren't air conditioned. This has it. The car was about $4,000, your typical vet. This was $400. That's 10% of the price of the car. So not many had it. And you can see it's all nice and clean, looking good. Now, my father also took the time. He put together a nice show board to go with each car. I told you we run all the numbers and codes. We list them for you. NCRS shipping data report just tells you where the car was sold. It's funny. Dealer name's not on file, but it began with an E. That's pretty funny. And just some miscellaneous literature you can display with your Corvette. Now, let's talk about the underside. So we were told it is body off frame restoration. The underside of this car is clean, especially the fiberglass floors. When it left the factory, the floors were raw fiberglass. A lot of times you'll see them painted black because they might have been repaired and they spray paint over it. These are mint condition raw fiberglass. Matter of fact, up on that corner, there's still some like crayon markings from the assembly line workers. Frame is solid, chassis, components are nice solid metal painted black. Independent suspension front and back, all in good shape. Each car is inspected by our lead mechanic. It's driven, it's looked at on the lift. Disc brakes at all 4 wheels, that's all in good working condition. E-brake is hooked up. You look up at the motor, it's clean Chevy orange. Starter looks fresh. It has a correct Muncie 4-speed transmission that's in there. In back, it has 336 posi gears. That's a nice gear with the air conditioning. But again, look at all this car has to offer. Don't compare this to another 427 that doesn't have side pipes or doesn't have air. Don't compare it to a convertible. This car has got so much going for it. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer the questions you have best they can, including how to get it delivered and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.